one of the things that happens when you build a lot of the same thing is you forget to document it. And so of course, this one's no exception because we've made over 500 of them. And these are a little special though. Such cute little things. Little 10-string Davidic harps with carving, the olive branches and the scrolls, and the gorgeous cherry wood grain, and absolutely my favorite part is these perfect joints.